Hello everyone, this is the day one. We have started our multi-cloud 10 days foundation journey. Okay, in this 10 days, what all things we are going to learn? Everything has been clearly mentioned into the website. Okay, you have this link, you have registered from this link, so I don't have to say that, but I will tell you it's a Monday to Friday daily class. Okay, regularly at 8 p.m. It's a 10-day session. Yes, around 15 hours plus you will get the mentorship from me. Okay, means I will be your mentor. I will help you out for that. Okay, time will be straightforward, fixed 8 p.m. to 9:30. Okay, and after that, if any questions are there, you are feel free to ask, or even anytime you can unmute and you can ask the questions with me. Okay, it's a now no prerequisite. Okay, it's just a beginner friendly course. You will understand from everything if you don't have any knowledge as well. We are going to discuss the top AWS services with the project in this upcoming sessions. Okay, cool. Now, how to crack it? Okay, we have clearly mentioned that what we are going to learn in the day one, what we are going to learn in the day two, what we are going to learn in day three, day four, day five. Everything has been clearly mentioned. But, sir, how we can track it? Which one has completed or not? So we have created one more tracking place here. Track the syllabus. If you will click here, one Excel sheet will be open. In this Excel sheet, whatever we will complete it, we will make it green. Is that okay? Yes or
Yeah.
no? That will be very straightforward, right? Cool. Chalo. Now, the very first point has been written, the course introduction. I'm just doing the same thing. Chalo, let's go. Okay. In the next 10 days, this all the things, whatever has been mentioned, we are going to cover up. Okay. Plus, I will give you a lot of extra things as well. Okay. I'm coming down. I'm coming down. I'm coming down. Okay. The day one, day two, whatever the things are there, it will be visible into this place. Whatever the PPTs I will share with you guys, this all PPTs will be visible in your LMS system. How you join? After that, there will be a PPT. Can you confirm that the PPTs are there? Some PPTs means every day the PPT will come there automatically. Is that okay? And as well as the recording, whatever we are doing it, it's automatically, it will be into the LMS system. You don't have to worry. You don't have to ask with me as well. But if by any reason, any question or anything, we have created the WhatsApp group also. In the WhatsApp group, this is the F34 WhatsApp group. You can ask it. Shishant is telling unable to join. Can anyone help him? Yes, please. It's a community. We have to help each other, right? I'm giving the link. Okay. Just click into this place and join it. I'm giving. Fine, mute yourself. Okay, I given this link. He can join it. If next time anyone asks the question related to the joining, you can also help him. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Good. Now, PPTs and everything will be available there. Whatever the recordings are there, recording will also come into the LMS system. You don't have to worry. If any of the things is pending from my side, I will take care. Cool. Now, in this, yes, this is just a small introduction. Now, let's come to the community introduction. Who we are, why we are doing this thing. Let's come to the zero PPT. Okay. This is the slide or this is the image. You have seen it. That's why you are here. Cool. Now, top 10 services, whatever I'm showing in this image, yes, these are the top 10 services we have to be aware. And after end of the sessions, you will be aware about this 10 services for sure. Okay. What we are. We are the Cloud DevOps of community. We have 53,000 members or 55,000 members in our Facebook group, more than 7,000 followers in our Instagram, more than 8 to 10,000 members in our WhatsApp community, around 2,000 members or subscribers in our YouTube channel. If anyone is not in any of the group anywhere, please feel free to join it. It will be very, very helpful for you. Okay. Now, sir, we want little bit more information about the community. If you will come to this place, Cloud DevOps Hub, this is the website. Okay. Website is loading slow. No worries. It will be fast. Okay. Very bad. www.clouddevopshub.com. Okay. Yeah, this is the website. You will get almost whatever the details you are looking, everything will be here. If I'm telling you can join our community, yes, you can join our Facebook community from this place. As soon as you will click here, you will be landed into our Facebook group, okay, or Facebook community. Okay, here you can see here 56,000 members are here who want to become or who are already a DevOps engineer. Whatever the things are happening, people are getting offer, so many things we are publishing here, as well as whatever what we can say, some people are attending the course, some people are attending the workshop, that also information will be here. Plus some people are asking the question, that all information will be available here. Means you are the community member, you can ask if you have any question or you are looking for any of the referral in any of the company, because 55,000 members are there. So definitely if you will ask that I'm looking for the referral in this company, in this location, you are feel free, you can ask the question into this place as well. Even I will encourage you to ask the technical questions here, because in this many members are there, and I will be also the top of that to give all the answers. Okay, I will be very happy to give any of the answer if you will ask into the community as well. Okay, cool. Over that, yes, WhatsApp community, if you are not here, you can join our WhatsApp community. If you want to see our YouTube videos, you can see that our YouTube videos into this place as well. What are success stories, what are peoples are there, that all information will be available into this place. Okay, I'm coming back again to my PPT. Okay, this is just a small information about it. Now I would like to introduce myself as well, because that's my responsibility. That if you are learning with me, you have to be aware. I know everyone knows it, but I like to introduce myself. Okay, I'm Vikas. Okay, and if you will come to my website only, you will get to know everything. Okay, I'm just coming down. Okay, this is the person. This is the person. Same person. Okay, around 14 years of real-time experience I have. I founded the community of this 55,000 members, and you are invited to that. Okay. Plus, I have already taken multiple batches. Okay. This is my 34th foundation batch, but I have already taken the master's batch as well, which is 33. Okay. And I already did multiple certification in the couple of days or couple of years. Okay. Sometimes or some certification I did 3 times or 2 times as well, because in the last 10 years or 12 years of duration, some certification get expired and I have did it again as well. Okay. In my portfolio, I have 100 plus POCs. If you will see, or you have already seen that what we can say, my PPT materials or whatever the materials we are discussing, or the tools we are going to use as a cloud and DevOps engineer, that all information will be visible into this place. Okay. And I have did it, and you are most welcome to join our community as well. Okay. This is just a quick introduction about me. Now, why we are creating this community? Very simple reasons. If you are alone, if you get a question, if you face a problem, if you will not solve that, you will leave that topic. I don't want you to leave the topic. If you are facing the problem, you must have to ask. You have to be a speaker. Okay. Raise the question in front of others. Guys, I am okay. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Because if you will not ask the question, people will not get to know that you are facing the problem, right? It can be question, a problem can be technical, non-technical, whatever it is. If you are a part of group, you have to ask it. Same thing happened in my others group as well. Okay, I can show that as well. There is no, my WhatsApp is not open. Let me check it. Yeah, my WhatsApp is open here. If you will see here, if some students are doing some good thing, okay, they are able to ask the details here, or they are creating the practicals here, and they are doing the activities like that. I would like to show to everyone that if anyone face a problem, whatever it is, people have to ask. If you will ask the problem, then problem will be solved. Okay, so that's why we are creating this small community or small groups to ask the questions. Okay, cool. For you also, we have already created a group. Okay, or this is the question. Sarvesh, you are still here or not? Service, you are here? No, service hasn't joined. Service is clicking on this item will be accessible. No, he has to, he is clicking on that wrong thing. Where is the link to join? Yes, what's the problem? Any idea? Why he's not able to join? He has to click on the live link. 18.2. Let me give him, man. No worries. Okay, it's my responsibility if he is facing the problem. Just give me a second. I'm giving a direct link to join me. Okay, I'm providing the direct link to him. Okay, please join here. Okay, so my responsibility, guys, if anyone is facing any of the problem, I have to get it solved. Okay, Hemant, you will be get added into the WhatsApp group. Okay, just message me or Shikha. Okay, you will get added. Is that okay? You just joined 10 minutes back. Cool. Now, so this is the thing, guys. If you will not raise, let's assume this person haven't raised the voice that I'm facing this problem, the issue will not resolve. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
right?
Yes.
I
Yes.
will encourage you. I want you to ask the questions. Okay. Like he asked the questions, whatever it is, if we face the problem, we will help him. That's it. Okay. Cool. That's why we are creating this type of groups so that people will ask the questions. Okay. Cool. About this 10 days, I will take care of everything. Whatever the questions you have, you are feel free to ask anytime in between or at the end of the session. Feel free. Okay. Cool. Guys, to learn, to start the things, I don't need any extra knowledge or any prior knowledge from your side. Okay, nothing required. If you have a very basic laptop or you have an internet connection, you can able to do everything. Okay, sir, why laptop is required? Because we will do the practicals or we will connect to the cloud with the help of laptop. Okay, and why internet connection? Because it's a live interactive session, so we need an internet connection. Then only you will able to talk with me. Agree? Not agree? Yes or no?
Agreed.
Okay, if you will install the Zoom, it will be better. Okay, I will tell you that better install the Zoom software in your machine. And Chrome though everyone has, but Chrome is the must because we would like to connect to the cloud with the help of Chrome only. Sir, what is the use? Let me tell you. Okay, I'm opening my AWS account. Okay, I'm just opening in front of you. Okay, this is my Chrome browser. Okay, in the Chrome browser, I'm going into the aws.amazon.com. Okay, aws.amazon.com/console. With the help of this internet, with the help of this Chrome browser, with the help of AWS account, I will sign in into the AWS account and I will be logged to the data centers. I will connect to the data centers. Okay, that's why I'm telling you we need we need a Chrome browser for making the console connection on AWS. Cool. Okay. Sir, still required? Yes, that is definitely required because we are going to connect the different data centers with the help of this console only. Cool. Now, sir, if I don't have any knowledge, that's okay. If you don't have the knowledge, that's why you are here to learn the things. Okay. And I will teach the AWS services and AWS DevOps on this platform only. Okay. Cool. All this good? Yes or no? Any question related to pre-request? Yes, no, please.
No.
All good?
No questions.
Good. Okay, guys, at least chat or at least type into the chat box as well. I want to be interactive. Okay, please. Cool. Now, there are so many reasons. I don't want to say again and again, but yeah, there are so many reasons to join us because we are the 24/7 community and we are providing the placement assistance as well. Okay. Cool. Guys, let's take the small introduction. We are only 10 people. I want you all to know each other. Okay. Please tell me your name. Okay. Name is already here. Okay. Tell you are a fresher or experienced, or do you want to learn the cloud and DevOps, or you want to come into the cloud and DevOps profile, or how you heard about the cloud and DevOps profile. Please. First, type into the chat box, or one or two people can unmute and introduce as well. Both the things are fine. Go ahead, fast, quickly. Yeah,
Hello, sir.
Manish.
I'm Manish.
Yep.
Actually, I'm from actually Noida,
Okay.
and I am having prior development experience.
Good.
And after that, actually, I have decided to switch from development to cloud because
Good.
earlier we were deploying all the websites and all on like GoDaddy and
Hmm.
HostGator. So similarly here we are using AWS.
Okay.
The
Fine.
process, what I thought the process is same, but the technology has become the same,
You
changed.
told a good point. Okay. Process will
Yes,
be same. Okay. I would
yes,
like to repeat again. Lot of people has a myth kind of thing. If they don't know, if they know only one cloud, they will not able to work into the another cloud. That's absolutely wrong thing. Okay. It's very simple. If you know how to use a Windows laptop, you can use a Lenovo laptop, you can use a compact laptop, you can use a Dell laptop, or you can use any other brand laptop as well. Are you agree with my point?
yes,
Right? So what you have to learn, you have to understand how the Windows work, how the Linux work, how the server works. If you know that thing, you can work into the another cloud as well. Like your decision, that's absolutely correct. The whatever the things you are hosting or you are creating the DNS with the help of GoDaddy, you can create with the help of AWS also. You can create with the help of GCP. You can create with the help of Azure as well. Cool, fine. Other person, anyone else? One more introduction, please.
Yes. So, Hi, Vikas sir and everyone else. My name is Muskan and I'm from New Delhi. So
Cool.
I have completed my BSc and MSc in computer sciences. So after that, I worked as a data scientist for 2 years in Gurgaon.
Yep.
So due to recent tech layoff, I was laid off along with my team in January.
Okay,
So
that
I'm
was nice.
currently looking for a data scientist role. And during my tenure as a data scientist, I have seen my seniors working a lot on AWS, and I believe that because ML ops is currently in trend, so I
Yep.
believe gaining this skill will help me land a better job.
Really, your decision is very, very good. Okay. Means adding, you have a data science experience. If you will add the cloud and AWS or little bit about DevOps also, it will boom you. Okay. Or it will
Yes.
give the good, very, very good hike. Whatever is your current, you can ask the double or triple package as well as a fresher only. Okay. So your scopes are really, really good. I'm we are hoping for the best, and whatever we can do in providing the good resource or good referral, you are feel free, Muskan, as you are looking for a job, you are feel free to ask the questions, whatever you have, okay, related to cloud DevOps, and whatever the company referral you want to ask, you are feel free to ask in our community. Okay, it's a privilege for you.
Oh, so good to hear that. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Cool. Thank you. Yep. Guys, cool. I get to know about Nirav also. Nirav is messaging into the chat that Nirav is from Gujarat. He is working as a system admin. Cool. Dhanya Shri, she is messaging that she has a 2.5 year of experience. Looks good. Okay. And one is the fresher. Savesh, she's telling he's a fresher. Looks okay. Good. Yeah. We have freshers and experience both. Okay. So yes, whatever I've mentioned, it's a kind of similar profile only. Some are admin, some are freshers, some are experienced, some are from the data science, some are the developers. Absolutely agree. Cool. Good. Okay. Guys, know each other. Okay. Next time, try to make a habit to switch on the camera so that people will know each other. Is that okay? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Okay. Now, guys, here, as we are from the different domain, it's my responsibility. You all are here for the learning purpose, and I'm here to redirect you or to teach you the cloud and DevOps thing and make you the cloud and DevOps. Simple. Okay. From different profiles, everyone has to learn the same thing, and you will become a cloud and DevOps engineer in short duration. Okay. Cool. Now we are coming into the place what exactly the AWS, why AWS, and how we can learn it. Okay. You already took the step, but I will take next 10-15 minutes to explain you more about the AWS only. Okay. I would like to listen from you only what exactly the AWS. Feel free to unmute and speak the answer.
Amazon Web Service.
Okay. Everyone knows this thing. If you will give this answer, you will be in 2 lakh package only. More, more, please. Guys, add him, help him. Guys,
Amazon Web Service is an online platform that offers clouds and cloud computer solutions.
okay. If you will give this much answer, 4 to 5 lakh package will be in your pocket. What else? Guys, speak up, please. Because this answer is not enough to get a job. Correct? Guys, others, listeners, are you agree with my point? Listeners, are you agree with my point?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
This answer is not enough to get a job into the AWS. And the topic is AWS, so you have to be speakable for at least 1 minute into this keyword. Okay, so let me speak, no need to worry. Okay, AWS is a subsidiary of company Amazon. Okay, it provides on-demand cloud computing resources and services on their platform. What is their platform? The platform is aws.amazon.com. If you will click on that, we will be landed into the AWS data center or AWS homepage. I'm again coming to my AWS account. Okay, I'm here. I have logged in into the aws.amazon.com, and with the help of this, I have landed into the home page of my AWS account. In this home page, if you will come here in the right side here, if you will open, these are the services in AWS. Means if I'm talking about different services in AWS, Manish, mute yourself, please. The background noise is coming from your side. Okay. Yes, good. Okay. If I'm talking about different services and resources, yes, here are the different services and resources which we have to learn or we are here to learn that. Okay. This different services has been divided into different categories. Okay. Some are related to analytics, some are related to applications, some are related to blockchain, some are related to compute, and so many different categories are here. Okay. Cool. From this page, as we are learning the AWS, you have to be aware about it. From this option, we will able to change the data center. There are multiple data centers are accessible from your account. Whatever is blood in this account or this user is not able to access this data center. Okay. Whatever is highlighted or whatever you are able to choose, you can choose it and you can create your resources into it. Whatever is not available, you have to request them that we would like to create our resources into this place, then they will provide access to you. It's just a simple API. Very first time you will hit it, then you will get access. Okay, cool. Now I'm just choosing at this point, because as I'm sitting into the Bangalore location, I'm just choosing the Mumbai data center. I'm just clicking here and now I have connected to the Mumbai data center. Why I'm choosing this, we will discuss in the next half an hour. Okay, why I'm choosing the Mumbai data center. But at this point, I have connected to the Mumbai data center. Whatever the services are there or whatever service I will develop into this account, this data center will be physically available into the Mumbai data center, but it will be virtually available to me. Okay, chalo, come down. Yes, server services resources on their on demand and very easily scalable. We are able to do it. Okay, AWS has a revolution over the time. Okay, anyone understand this English? What does it says? What is this English? Guys, speak up. Please, what is this English? Answer. Yep.
So just like there was internet revolution with Geo in India, so similar
Okay.
to that, AWS has revolutionized the
Okay. Chalo.
way in which we deploy.
The what I want to say here, AWS has a revolution over the time means when the AWS has been started with very less service, now it has 200 plus services. This is what I want to deliver to you. Okay. Yes, that's absolutely correct thing. Okay. Free to join when you want to learn the things or you want to create an account, it's completely free for the next 1 year. Okay. And what all things will be free? If you will click here, you will get to know what all things and how much it is free. Okay. So I'm giving this link to you guys. Okay. You are feel free to have a look into this place. Okay. If you will come a little bit down, you will able to see that it has a free trial for the 12 months. Means as a learner, as for learning purpose, you can use this account or whatever the account we will create it for the next 12 months. It is free. In the tomorrow, not day after tomorrow, we will create it. Okay, tomorrow we will run the cloud computing, and day after tomorrow we will go into the Linux and we will create a AWS account as well for you. Okay, and that is again, it's a completely free if you will not use it. Okay, because it's a on-demand service. If you demand the thing, then only it will be chargeable after 1 year. If you will use the thing inside this limit, it will be free of cost for you. And I will help or I will encourage you to use the AWS account as much as possible because it is free for the next 1 year. Agree with my point or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm coming back here. Yes, whatever things are free, you can come into down and you can have a explore that. Compute has a 750 hours free, storage has a 5 GB free, database has a 750 hours free, database has Amazon Dynamo has a 25 GB free, and their users are there for almost all the services they have cleared very mentioned there very clearly. Okay. This is just a half or just 2% or 5% of the AWS. Okay, cool. Sir, if you are telling this information is 2%, what is we have to do? We really have to do this activity in the AWS. Okay, means there are multiple different services are there. They have to be integrate with each other. Usable for us. As soon as you will join any of the company or as soon as you will be into any of the company, you will see this type of infrastructure or architecture. Your manager or your lead will give some document to you and this type of infrastructure will be there. Okay. Now, how you have to understand this architecture? That will be a biggest question. If they will provide a training, well and good. If they are not providing the training, we have to understand one by one small component. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? If you will understand one by one component, then only you will integrate with other and this type of infra will be get created. Guys, this is very high level at this point. I'm just hiding this and I'm coming to the simple part. Okay, so that everyone will able to understand. Okay, means this is the thing we have to be achieved at the end of this session. Guys, is your agenda clear? What we will do at the end of this session? At the end of 10 days, what we will achieve? We will able to achieve
Yes.
this part. Okay, chalo. As it's the very first day, let's simplify the things so that you will able to understand. Okay, this is a mind map I have created for to kick start into the AWS. Okay, sir, what exactly it is? When you want to start yourself into the AWS, you have to be aware about some components, okay, or some part of the IT. Okay, if you will see here, first you have to be aware about the fundamentals. If you don't know the fundamentals or basic, it will be very difficult. Okay, so I have added 9 services inside it. Sir, what all 9 services we want to see? I would like to show. Yes, definitely. Okay, I'm just opening my another account. This is my mind map. Okay, in this mind map, if you will come down, okay, you will able to see that some services, around 9 services are showing here. Sir, what all 9 services are here? If you will click here, you will get to know that these are the services belong to the fundamental categories. I'm again coming here that some things are related to fundamental categories, means regions. You have to be aware wherever the data centers of AWS are available, how to access the how to access the AWS account with their proper or best policies or best practice. We will discuss into this part. And after that, very first layer we will create it, that is called VPC layer. Sir, what exactly it is, we are not able to understand still. Okay, chalo. I will help you out. I will simplify more easily. Okay, I'm coming here. Okay, you are able to see that this is AWS account or this infra will be created somewhere, correct? That is called region. Region means which country, which availability zone. Okay, so we have to choose very first point, choosing is common region. Okay, after the region has been created, okay, who can access this data center? That has to be decided by the IAM policy. One point clear, where it has been created is called region. How to access it? It has to be accessed with the help of IAM policy. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Now, how to access? If there are so many things, we have to access the particular cloud. Particular cloud means it's a variety of cloud which is called VPC, virtual private cloud, means it has been created into the private area. Okay, looks good. So we have to understand about the VPC as well. These are called basic fundamentals. Okay, and we will start that part. If you aware about the fundamentals, means aware about the regions, availability zone, data centers, availability, how to access it, how to access with the help of best practice, and the part of data, part of the virtual private cloud, means your fundamentals are good. And I'm adding around 8 to 9 services into this group. And out of that, almost everything we are going to discuss in our classes. Okay, cool, all good till fundamentals, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Everyone? Cool. Okay. After the fundamentals, I will help you out with the front end as well. Front end means how to access the application. Okay. Let's take a very simple example. Okay. You know this website. Where is my website? Where is my website? This website. You know this website. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This website has a some name. Okay. What is this called? What is this name called?
Domain.
name.
Domain. Yes, this is a domain name. Okay. Means some IP address is running on some server. Okay, server has been mapped with this domain name. Agree? Server IP address has been saved with some name that is called domain name. Cool.
Yes.
Okay, how to achieve it? It has to be achieved either with the help of GoDaddy, either with the help of some AWS service. The service name is, give me the answer. Which service name can map the IP address to the domain name? Route 53. Okay, cool. Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. That is called Route 53. Okay, so we have to be aware about that part. Storage, if we have a data, object storage, if we have a data, where to store? This has to be stored into the S3. So we have to be aware about the storage as well. Some infrastructure creation related things, some services are there. It will come into the front end category. We have to be aware about. In my this next 10 days, I'm going to teach you these 2 services as well. Okay, for the front end. Cool. Okay, till now.
Okay.
Yes.
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 Now I will go more inside it. Okay, I will come back to my PPT. Okay, in this PPT, I am telling again that, sir, inside that there are so many inside components are there. In technical term, what we will call this internal component? backend. This we can call as a front end, or this one we can call as a backend. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Internal things we can call as a backend. Whatever is front end, whatever is visible into the website, it is called front end. Chalo. The person, chalo, let's come to my website only. Okay. This is my website. Anyone who haven't registered with us, they will be able to see in this homepage. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? If you will come to the courses, you will come to any of the place. This is called front end for me. But as soon as someone will register with us, they will able to see the course, they will able to access the application, they will able to connect with us. Agree? Not agree?
Agree.
You all are here because you have a backend access. Correct? Are you?
Correct. Yeah.
Right? So means you are able to go inside it. Let us assume I'm going inside it. Okay, just to show you, I'm going inside this environment. Okay, means I'm able to see the back end of the infrastructure. Correct? This is the back end of my infrastructure. Okay. So if you will come to this image, yes, it has been divided into two parts, front end and back end. Front end, which is visible to front users, or back end, what the actual functionality will happen inside it. Okay. So for front back end also, we have some resources. Okay. What all resources? Around the number is coming 22. Okay. This is very big because the components or area will be big. Okay. So as soon as I will open here, I'm making it little bit a small screen. No, screen small will not help. Yeah. Okay. This. I hope this is visible, right? You are able to read it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes.
Okay, where it is, man? Okay, cool. Okay, in the backend, let me make it a little bit big. Yes, in the backend, we can call as a multiple components. Very first components coming as compute. Can anyone tell me what is compute? Very simple language, I need an answer because this is very first day. What is compute?
Mathematics.
Mathematics. Correct. I agree with your point. But sir, where is this mathematics here? No, give some technical answer in terms of mathematics.
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead. Kind of calculations kind of thing. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I'm talking about the calculations, sir, how I will get the calculation? Okay, we will get the calculation with the help of CPU and memory. Compute means CPU and memory. At this point, if you will see my machine, he is consuming my around 50% of my CPU, 11 GB of my RAM. Means these are the computes are happening here. If I'm talking about the compute of my machine, these are the computes of my machine. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Same way in AWS also we have a computes. Okay. Whenever we are creating any of the machine, EC2 machine, can anyone tell me the full form of EC2? Full form of EC2. Yes.
Elastic Compute Cloud.
Elastic Compute Cloud. Can you elaborate little bit? Explain, means break it and explain me. EC2. Okay. Can you please elaborate or explain? What is the full form of E? What is the use of E, or what is the full form of E? What is E?
Elastic.
It is
Elastic.
elastic cloud.
ELSTIC, elastic
Or
compute,
increase or decrease the resources
correct, of on the cloud.
for the users.
Correct. Chalo. Now I'm opening my another PPT to show that, okay, what exactly it look like. Okay. I'm coming to the EC2 place. Okay. Which we will start in the next 4th day. Okay. But you have to be aware from the day 1. Okay. When I'm talking about the keyword elastic, it will look like this. It can increase or decrease as per the requirement. Okay. Or you can expand or release as per your requirement. Whatever the keyword, whatever the service name, if you are seeing with the help of name E, or the E is front of that, you have to understand this is related to elastic. Make sense? Yes or no? The very first keyword is elastic in all these services wherever E is available into the AWS.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. Okay,
Okay.
good. Okay, now second keyword, compute. Okay, in my notepad, I have written E means elastic. It look like this. Second keyword, compute. Whenever the compute keyword came, you have to understood that it is talking about CPU and memory. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Cool, good. Okay. And third is cloud. It will happen on the cloud. Okay, this is the full form of EC2. Okay, when I'm talking about the EC2, there are multiple components inside it. Okay, in the EC2, this all different components inside it, and we will cover up everything. Okay, in this next 10 days duration, we will cover up everything with the help of practical. Chalo. Now, sir, can you show me a little bit on the high level from the UI? Yes, if you want to see the service EC2, you just have to search it here. Whatever service you want to learn, you just have to come into this place and you just have to open it, and you will able to say that this many services are available, this many different services or components available into the EC2. Make sense? Agree? Not agree?
Yes, agree.
Agree.
Cool. Good. Yeah. So that when we learn the EC2, you have to be aware about this many parts. Okay. Then you will call or you will say that yes, I know EC2. Fine. Okay. And now Lambda. Anyone hear about Lambda? What exactly this is? One line answer I need from you guys.
Serverless.
Correct. Serverless. Little bit help me out. Little bit better way. Serverless. I agree. Anything beyond that you want to say? Answer, please. Guys, it's a live interactive sessions. Okay. I don't like listeners. I need a person who can speak up. Go ahead. Answer, please. No one. Let me on.
Makes the file compatible to database.
No. You are seeing this image and you are giving the answer.
So we can run our code without having applications or something.
Okay, fine. Yeah, acceptable. Okay, chalo, let me explain. Okay. Lambda is a serverless compute service. Means it's an event based. Whenever the activity is required or whenever something should happen on a particular time or particular duration or particular function or particular duration, particular time or particular hit or trigger happen, then only this service will start. Let's take an example. This in the S3, lot of data is coming from the website or wherever it is. Whenever the data is coming, it will get processed with some service from the Lambda service, and it will give save into the RTS. Okay, means you can say that this Lambda function is a transferable, or you can distribute the things based on varieties. Okay, let's assume every variety of data is coming, but here out of that, if you will understand, only files or only relational data is coming into this place. Agree or not agree? Here, from here, all the variety of data is coming: files, object, images, relational database, non-relational database. But in Lambda function has been written, whatever the relational files are coming, should push it into the RDS. That type of function can be done with the help of a Lambda function. Got it? Theoretically, one line answer. Yes, no.
Sir, can you please repeat?
Okay, I'm repeating it. Just guys, focus on this image. Okay, this is a DevOps engineer. Okay, he created this Lambda function, and now what he is doing it, whatever the variety of data is coming into the S3. Okay, he written the function that whatever the files are there or whatever the relational files are there, it has only go to RDS. You can see here only white files or white papers are coming into the RDS. Here every variety of data is coming, but from here it is processing and only white variety of data is coming into this place. Correct? Yes or no?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
This type of function can be created, or this type of activity can be created with the help of Lambda function. Okay, cool. It's a completely event-based function. It's a completely server-based function. You don't have to create a server. You don't have to create a EC2 machine, nothing. Okay. Whenever the data will come, then only it will get start and perform the activity. If let's assume the data is not coming for 1 minute or 1 hour or 1 day, this Lambda function will be silently sitting. He will wait for the data. It's an event triggered system that is called Lambda. Got it?
Yes, got it.
Good. Anyone repeat it? It will be good for me or good for everyone. Please repeat. Please repeat. Yes.
Every time data comes to the S3 bucket, it will directly move to RDS with proper formatting. If data stops moving to S3 bucket, it will stop and wait for the to data receive in S3 bucket.
Correct. Good. This is your understanding. Okay. Guys, remember this thing. Remember this image. Okay. You will able to remember the lambda. Okay.
So
Cool.
is it like scheduled or something, or
It's not
every time
scheduled.
data?
It's not scheduled. It's an event based. Okay. Whenever the data came, then only it will get started.
Okay. No matter what amount of data is
No.
there.
If the data will be more, the lambda function will be get increased automatically to process fast. If data will be less computes will be usable.
Okay, and frequency is also not controlled.
Frequency is completely serverless. We don't have to worry about the frequency. Okay. If the more data will come, it will process fastly. See, imagine this image. Okay. At this point, slowly it is coming. Okay. So slowly it is processing. Now the data fast coming. So fastly data has been processed. Got it?
Got it.
Cool. Thank you. This is called lambda function. Okay. Cool. Now I'm coming back here in my this thing. Okay. After lambda, there are databases. Yes, we are going to create the RDS database. We are going to do the practicals on the databases as well. Okay. Plus containers. Can anyone give me the one-line definition for container? What is container?
Storage boxes.
Okay. Better answer. Little bit technical answer I need. Technical answer I need. Yes. Fast, please.
When we install an image and it's ready for working, it's called a container.
Whenever we create an image and if we will run it, it will become a container. Okay. Yes, this is correct answer. Okay. Anyone want to repeat in another way so that student can able to remember it? You are here to remember. You are here to understand the things. Definition to every definition is written into the internet. You are not here to remember the definition, or you are not here to learn the definition. You are here to remember, to understand the concept. Correct? Agree with my point?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So yes, we can create a containerized applications, or we can create a multiple variety of container with the help of these services in AWS. Okay. If you want to do containerization work, we can able to create ECS, EKS, or ECR. With the help of these services, we can create a containerized application. Okay. Another part, if we created this many things, if this all services are working properly or not, everything is responding properly or not, that has to be saved, or that has to be achieved, or has to be checked with the help of monitoring. What is the monitoring service in AWS? The name is, repeat it please.
CloudWatch.
CloudWatch. Any idea? Anyone has any one-line definition idea about CloudWatch?
CloudWatch means alarm.
Yes, CloudWatch can create an alarm. Okay. But what exactly the CloudWatch do? Simple answer I need, guys.
Monitoring our
Monitor the
data.
performance of instance.
Performance, or someone has told the monitoring of the instance. Chalo, let's see. Guys, if I'm opening my task manager, in this task manager, if I will go to performance, what is showing here to you guys? What all things are showing?
Memory, disk, CPU.
Memory.
Usage.
Uses. This keyword I liked it.
Percentage.
Uses in percentage, I liked it. This task manager, I can say that monitoring system of my machine. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? He is doing the monitoring of my different resources, and he is telling that which resources is consuming how much, and out of that, which process is consuming how much. So means this task manager is a monitoring system for my laptop. Correct?
Yes.
Right? If this type of monitoring system you have to create, or you want to create in the AWS cloud, okay, then you have to use the service called CloudWatch. Got it?
Yeah. Understood.
Got it.
Okay. Now, sir, still 3 components are inside CloudWatch. What all? Any guess? Someone already given the answer some couple of seconds back, but guess it again.
Notifications.
Notification, I agree. What is the service name for the
SNS.
notification?
SNS.
Good. Okay, what else? Yes.
So it keeps the logs of the
Copy.
activity.
Repeat it, please. I haven't understood.
It keeps the logs of the activity.
It keeps the logs of the activity. Okay. What else?
Alarm.
Alarm. Chalo, let me open it. Okay. In this, 3 things are there. Notification message, because if I'm sending an email to you, right? Have you get an email from me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? So I did the notification to you, in the notification, I write some text, right? Some body of the mail, correct?
Yes.
That body of the mail is called topic. Means I written the text or body in the mail so that you get the information. And after that, on the alarm means on the right time, it has been triggered 15 minutes before the class, 15 minutes before the class or 1 hour before the class, you get an email, correct?
Yes, correct.
This can be achieved with the help of these services. Okay. Means I'm just giving a real-time example so that you will able to remember it. But in the real time, this is a machine. Consider that this is a machine. Okay, because this is the very first day, so I'm calling as a machine, server machine. Okay, this machine is consuming my 45% of the CPU, 43% of the CPU, correct? Yes, no? If this CPU reach to 80%, if this CPU reach to 80%, then what action should be required? I have to be
Alarm.
alarm. I have to be aware about it that yes, this CPU reached to 80% or my memory reached to 80%. Then I have to be aware about it. My CPU consumption or memory consumption is beyond 80%. I have to manually go and I have to take some action, or I have to verify that why this service or which service is consuming more. Means I will be actionable when someone or when the server will notify to me. Correct? Agree? Yes, no.
Yes.
This can
Yes.
be
Yes.
achieved with this can be achieved with the help of DevOps. Okay. Now, till now, whatever we are seeing, we are creating manually. If all these things or the software development life cycle should happen automatically, that is called DevOps. Okay. Let me show you the image. Guys, anyone here in this group aware about it? What exactly the DevOps is?
Development and operations.
Correct. Two different teams working together, or two different teams who has a knowledge of development, who has a operation knowledge, they're working together. That is called DevOps team. I agree. But what DevOps team does?
It will automate the process.
Whatever is the manual work has to be get automated or with the help of some tool. That is the work of DevOps team. Okay, cool. Looks good. Is able to see this image. In this image, you are seeing, maybe you are not able to understand at this point, but I will try my best to explain. Okay. In this place, you will see the version control. Any idea what is version control?
Git.
Okay. Or we can say code maintain. Okay. Code is maintained into the version control. Okay. After the code, let's take an example, Java code. Okay. Let's take an example, Java code. Hello.java file has been created. How to build it? Means what is building?
Public static void main.
No. How to build the Java code?
With the
Creating a
extension of
workflow.
that Java.
No.
By tools.
Creating workflow.
Of
Creating workflow.
No.
Built in the required platform.
Let me give the answer. Java code is there. With the help of Maven, we will build it so that we will get a var file, jar file. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? With the help of Maven, we will build it. Okay. Some unit tests means automatically developer has to do some testing that should run automatically. It should move to the another place or another environment automatically. Some automatic testing should happen, as well as it should get deployed into the production environment automatically. If all these things happens automatically with the less duration, with the help of tools, that is the setup of the DevOps. Means DevOps engineer will do this type of automation so that as soon as developer write the code, developer push the code to the GitHub, the code will be built automatically. Some testing should happen automatically, and it should get deployed into some other environment automatically. That is the work of DevOps engineer. Cool.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, chalo, this is the work of DevOps. Sir, how to achieve this thing? There are multiple tools available in this to achieve that thing. Okay. If you will come here, these are the varieties of different tools. The code has to be maintained into the commit. The code has to be get built. Means version control is our code commit. After that, Maven or whatever the build activity is available into the code build. Whatever the flow should happen, that is, it will be available into the code pipeline. If anything, var file, jar file is getting saved into some third-party place, that is called artifact. Or if it's getting deployed to some other environment, that is called code deploy. These are the combination of multiple different tools is known as DevOps. Means as a DevOps engineer, we have to configure these tools, okay, so that this type of flow should run automatically. That is the work of DevOps engineer on a very high level. Agree, not agree? Good, not good?
Agree.
Good.
So
Agree.
this all works do only one person or team
No,
wise?
no, full team. Yeah, DevOps team, full DevOps team will be there to work all these things. Okay, not single person. Or not fresher will not do this work. Okay, means we need an experienced person who will do this activity. And fresher or 1 year, 2 year, 3 year persons will support him in one by one, a small part, and they will learn everything.
Right.
Cool, good.
Sir, are you going to explain? Are you going to explain this also?
Yes, I'm going to
This.
teach everything. Okay, all this 4, 5,
Okay.
6 tools I'm going to teach you. Okay, means how to use, how to connect, how
Great.
to create. We will develop the project based on this. Okay, if you will see the 9th day syllabus. Okay, let me come back to my course. Okay, I have to go to the website only, www.clouddevops.com. I'm going to the courses. Okay, I'm coming to this place, and here if you will come down, I clearly mentioned, okay, it's mentioned into this foundation also, that with the help of this many tools, okay, with the help of on the day 8, I'm going to teach you all these things. And after teaching this thing, I will create a project based on with the help of these tools. Okay,
Oh, yes.
you will be satisfied. No need to worry. Okay. Cool. Now this thing is done. After that, sir, what is pending? Yes, something are still pending. Okay. Means if you created this much is all secure. Everything is in private network. None of the extra person or unauthorized person can able to access it. That can be achieved with the help of security. And yes, we are going to discuss both the security rules. Okay. Security as well as NSCL. We will discuss both of them. Guys, have you clear about what we are going to learn? Yes or no? Have you get an idea on a high level?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Nice. This is just my high level overview which I have to give about the course. Okay. I'm coming here. Yes. Learning path, we are aware about the training plan as well. Okay. Now the question is, what is cloud? I need an answer from you guys. What is cloud? Simple answer I need. Guys, give me the answer. What is cloud? No
Something
one
which
knows.
is not on premise or in our local system, we can access it from anywhere.
I think. I will explain you
It
the
is
cloud.
storage.
It is storage. Okay. Anyone want to say anything else?
It is remote.
Remote.
You given the answer, acceptable, but I don't want to directly teach the cloud. I would like to take one step back, okay? And I will explain you the data center first, and then I will teach you the cloud. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Because see, when I can start directly with the AWS also, right? Why I'm starting on the day 4th? No. But first I want to create your base. Okay. If your base is clear, if you know Linux, then only you will go to AWS, you will be more happy. Okay, cool. Chalo, I'm going back here. Okay, first I will explain you the data center. Okay, I'm coming here. Okay, I'm just opening this PPT. Can anyone tell me what is data center? You will say that Vikas is asking a lot of questions instead of teaching. Asking a question is a good or not,
A good one.
right?
The data center
Because
is a place
Data
where all the
center.
physical servers will be saved for an
yeah,
organization.
maybe I hope in the some movies or somewhere you saw this type of data centers. Okay, yes, this is a data center. Okay, where different varieties of storage devices, resources, compute, CPU, memory, racks, kind of things will be available. That is called data center. Okay, now the thing is, let's assume I will give a scenario here. Okay, the scenario is very simple. Your requirement is this is a website. Okay, this is a website. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
To create, assume that this is a static website at this point. Okay. Acha, chalo, give me the answer. What is static or what is dynamic?
The static, the IP address will be not changed. The dynamic IP address will be continuously changing.
No, my question was different. Static website versus dynamic website. This is the right question. You given the answer. Static IP
Okay,
versus
okay, okay.
dynamic
IP
IP.
address. Okay, okay.
The question is static website versus dynamic website. Yes.
Static
Yeah,
where
what
there is just some information displayed, whereas dynamic where user can interact or provide some input.
Good. Okay. My website is static or dynamic?
Dynamic.
Okay, this is dynamic website. Okay, consider that this is a static website. There is no login option. Okay, it's a static website. Only the front page is coming here. Okay, cool. Now my requirement is, guys, I want to create this type of website. How you can create it? Please help me out. Give me the manual answers, please.
HTML,
Yes.
CSS for
You
front
need a code. You need a code. Okay, code in form of HTML and CSS. Okay, cool. What else?
backend.
With web server,
JavaScript.
I'm taking about the static website, so backend will not be required. Chalo. What else?
JavaScript.
JavaScript. Okay, chalo. JavaScript, JS. Yes. What else?
web server,
Web
Database.
server. Yes. Web server. Okay. Web server. Any application, any software name of the web server?
Nginx,
Nginx. Yes. Correct. Yes. Anything else? Apache Tomcat are also the web server.
Yeah.
HTTP. Correct. Apache web server. Whatever you want. Yes. What else will be required?
Database.
DB will be required. Yes. Some security related components will be required. Yes. What else? What else?
Public
Payment
IP.
gateway.
Public IP will be required. PUBLIC public IP. Okay. What else?
API. Payment
API.
gateway.
Okay, payment gateway. Chalo, it's a static website, no payment gateway, no these things. Okay, I will make it simple only. Okay, at the end of the sessions we will discuss about that part, but not now. Yeah, what else?
DNS.
DNS. Okay, DNS will be required. Agree. DNS will be the first thing. IP address and DNS. Yeah, guys, this many things will be required. Okay, if this many things are required, we need a multiple teams or multiple investment also will be required, right? System admin team responsibility will come to create this type of racks and all these things, where we will install the operating system, where we will install the virtual machine, we will create a virtual machine, and then we will create a web server, we will get an IP address, we will attach to the IP address. So this type of work will be there. Agree? And the investment will be required to create this type of website. Correct?
yes, correct.
Right? If we will use the data center approach, so many things are there. Suddenly, let assume, suddenly my requirement, current users are, let assume 100 users are accessing my website. Okay. And suddenly thousands users came into my website. What will happen? My website will be down. Yes or no? It will be down. Yes.
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 Now I observe that I have to increase the CPU memory for this thing. Okay. CPU MEMORY. Okay. So let's consider my current CPU memory is this memory only. Okay. I have a 24 GB of memory. Okay. And I would like to increase to the 32 GB. Okay. Simple question, guys. Please interact. Okay. Currently is 24 GB and I would like to make it to 32 GB. How can we achieve? Give me the answer. Traditional answer I need.
They're using a hard disk.
Hard disks. Man, I'm talking about RAM. Why should you are talking about hard disks? Good. Fast. Answer.
If slot is available, then increase the RAM module.
Use the RAM. Okay. Give the some achievable answer straightforward. Can I give the answer or you want to give the answer? My question is very simple.
Virtual.
My question is very simple. I have a 22 GB physical RAM and I want to make it 32 GB physical RAM. My question is this. The gap is of 8 GB. What is the solution?
Add a 8 GB to the.
So we need to change the instance type.
I'm not talking about SIP servers. I'm not talking about the cloud. Give me the physical answer first. My laptop issue. First,
Adding the 8 GB to the another slot.
okay. Someone told it, go to the shopping, purchase 8 GB RAM and then add it. Correct?
Yes.
This is your answer? Yes or
Yeah.
no? Right?
Yeah.
But the problem is I have only 2 slots. I cannot add any other slot. Now give me the another solution.
We can create a virtual RAM.
No, I don't want to create a virtual RAM. It will not be very, what we can say, very performance-wise, not very good. No. I need a physical RAM only. Guys, think it fast. Give me the answer. Only solution is go to the shopping, do the shopping, purchase a new and add it. Correct? If 8 GB is not suitable for you, purchase the 16 GB. Okay? Remove 8 GB. Okay, remove 8 GB and put that 16 GB too. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, this is the solution. Correct? Now the problem is I have to purchase a 16 GB again. I have to pay around 4,000 rupees for this, right? And I will remove the 8 GB RAM again, which is of costing me around 3,000 rupees is my waste. So to achieve 8 GB RAM only, I have to invest 7,000 rupees. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So what are the two problems here? See, first thing is I will throw this 8 GB RAM because it's out from my machine, so there is no use of it. Correct? One loss. Second loss, again I have to purchase one more to just achieve the 8. I have to purchase a 8 GB RAM only. My requirement was 8 GB, but I have to purchase a 16 GB. So the ideal budget to purchase a 8 GB should be of 2,000 rupees. Okay. Now I'm just wasting my 6,000 rupees extra. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. That's it. Yes. These are the problems. Okay. So this type of problems happen into the infrastructure, into the physical environment. Okay. So we overcome this problem and we come into the cloud. Okay. We will discuss more about it. Okay. First option, either I can go to the shopping and I can purchase a new one and I will add it. Okay. Second, I can take this on a rent as well, but I have to pay a particular rent if I will use the another rent. Okay. So this is again a solution. Okay. Now the biggest problem with the data center is by any reason, if any issue happen, okay, if any equipment fail, okay, CPU fail, memory fail, communication fail, power outage, network, or any issue happen, what is the solution? What is the solution? What is the solution?
Nothing.
Nothing is not a solution, man. I need a solution.
We have to escape from the
Another impact.
We need to build one more.
No, we have to run and go to the data center and check the issue. Correct? Yes or no? If
Yeah.
there is a network issue, we will not able to reach to the server or connect to the server. Physically, human being has to go and check it that what exactly the problem happened. You have to call to the network team or whatever is required. You have to connect to that and you have to solve it. These are the problem happen into the data center. Okay. Increasing our RAM or increasing our resources is a very tough thing. Okay. Changing our hardware is again a biggest problem. Correct? And when the solution of cloud solution came, can you give me the answer? If I have to increase a RAM from 4 GB to 32 GB with the cloud solution, how we can achieve it?
Increase the number of instances.
Okay, better answer I need. Your answer is correct. I need a little bit better answer. Stop the machine, change the instance type and restart it. Done. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can we do this
Yes.
small practical? Can we do this small practical? Do you
Yeah.
want me or you are aware about it?
No, sorry.
Okay,
But
not aware. Not aware. Let me do it. Okay. At least we will do some small practical today. Okay. I am coming to my AWS account. Okay. aws.amazon.com. You have to go into this place. I will help you out how to create an account by tomorrow or day after tomorrow class. Okay. No need to worry. Okay. I am clicking on the sign in. As soon as I click on the sign in, I will be landed into the data center. I am going into the Mumbai data center. First question, sir, why you are going to the Mumbai data center? Can you give me the answer? Why? Because
The
Nearest.
response is soon.
answer, I need a technical answer. I want you to make a technical person. My intention is very clear. Okay. What is my intention?
Low
guys?
latency, sir.
Okay. See, why I'm asking the technical question with you. Okay. The reason is I want you to take into the 10 to 20 LPA package. There may be chances you all are 3 to 4 lakh, 5 lakh package are available. Correct? Everyone agree with my point? Yes or no? Yes, no. You are at least 3 to 5 lakh package at this
Yeah.
point. 10 lakh package. I want your package to become double. That's why I want the answer from. Okay, that's why I am available in front of you. Ask the question and and upgrade yourself. That's it into the cloud in DevOps journey. Okay, so in this 10 days, yes, you will able to achieve this. Okay, good. Now what I'm doing it, I'm going into my AWS account. My question was still pending. Why, how we can check, okay, or why I'm choosing the Mumbai data center? This is my question. Can anyone give me the answer quickly? My question is very clear. Why I have to choose the Mumbai data center, or why I'm choosing the Mumbai data center? Give me the technical answer. We have to check the latency. Okay, chalo, let's check it. Okay, I'm not going directly with the solution. Whatever this ping solution will tell, I will go to that data center. I'm just pressing enter, cloud ping. Okay, these are the different data centers available in AWS. Okay, I'm giving you this link also. Okay, and I'm just clicking on this tab. Okay, which tab? I'm just clicking on the HTTP ping tab. As soon as I click here, you will able to see that I ping to different or all the data centers. Out of this many different data centers, the Hyderabad is giving the good response to me. Mumbai is giving the better response than Hyderabad to me. Agree? Yes or no? MS is millisecond, means Mumbai data center is responding to me in the 19 milliseconds from my current location. Hyderabad data center is responding to me in the 30 milliseconds from my current location. Agree? Not agree? All good?
Yes, agree.
Can you also hit and let me know which data center is nearest for you, or who is responding the fastest to you? We will choose the Mumbai. Okay. Everyone, I think we all are from India. That's why Mumbai is the giving the good response to us. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. No. Hello, cool, good. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I'm going and I'm creating my server into the Mumbai region, Mumbai data center. Cool, I'm here. I'm into the Mumbai data center. I want to create a EC2 machine. I'm just choosing the EC2 service. What is this EC2 service? Can you read this definition and let me know? Self-learning. Yes, what is this definition? Answer first. Virtual server into the cloud. Yes, this is a virtual server into the cloud. Okay, I'm coming here. At this point, none of the machine or none of the server is running into this environment. My question is, let's create a EC2 machine in a very simplified way. Okay, I'm going into this place, instance place. Okay, and with the help of just 5 clicks, I will create a EC2 machine in front of you. Okay, I'm coming here, launch instance. Very first click I did. I'm clicking. I'm asking the name with you. Please, anyone unmute and let me know your name. Your name. Are your name, please?
Muskan.
Muskan, MUSKN. Okay. I'm creating a EC2 machine with the name Muskan. Second click I did and I provided the name. Rest everything I'm taking as a default configuration. Okay. All default configuration I'm taking it. I'm all the default configuration. Okay. I'm choosing without key pair. Okay. And I'm just taking all the default configuration. I'm just allowing the traffic. Means third or fourth click I'm doing it here. Okay. And I'm just clicking on the launch instance. Indirectly or directly, I'm just configuring this information. Let me show the template to you. Okay. To create any of the machine, this template, you have to fill it. You have to provide the name. You have to choose the operating system. You have to choose the CPU memory. How to log in it, you have to choose. You have to decide the network, and you have to just decide some advanced configuration. If you will fulfill this template, you will get an option to launch here. Whatever you will select, this information will be visible here, and you can create an instance with the help of just 5th click. Launch instance, I click here and my instance or my EC2 machine has been created. EC2 machine creation is not tough from now onwards. Agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, now my EC2 machine has been created. Okay. Let's see, it is pending. It will take some couple of seconds and it will be ready. Now this machine has been created with T2 micro configuration. What is T2 micro? If you don't know the answer, go to the Google T2 micro and type it. Okay. You will go here, T2 micro configuration or specs. I'm just typing it specification. In the compute, Google will let me know, or the actual website will let me know T2 micro. Control F, T2 micro. Okay, very bad. They have not written T2 micro. It should be there. Leave it. I will open the another. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, how much will be the RAM in T2 micro? It's a 1 GB. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Means at this point, the machine which is running, it's of 1 GB. My requirement is from 1 GB to 1 GB to 4 GB to it. How you can do it? Simple internet.
Stop and rechange.
Correct. Stop the instance. At this point, it's currently running. How to stop it? How to stop this machine?
Action state.
Click on this. I'm clicking on the stop instance. He's asking the confirmation with me. Do you want to stop the Muskan machine? Yes, I'm stopping it. Okay. As soon as it will get stopped, I will go inside it. And here I will just open this configuration T2 micro. I will edit it. Okay. I will edit and I will just change this and it's done. Okay. It's very straightforward that you can just stop the machine, edit the configuration and restart the machine. That's it. This is how we can do the changes into the AWS environment. Okay. Or any of the cloud environment. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Chalo, let's go a little bit more deeper into it. Okay. Now, yep. Guys, any of the problem happen into the data center, you have to go there, you have to resolve it. That's a data center person's responsibility. Okay. You have to create a 24/7 monitoring team who will stay there. If any of the issue happen, they will notify us. Okay. If any of the disaster happen, what do you mean by disaster? Earthquake, power shutdown, fire, tsunami, or any of the issue happen, you have to resolve it by own. If your data center has been fired or any of the issue happen, you are the sole responsible to resolve the issue. Correct? Yes or no? Let assume power is not available from the 10 hours or power is not available from the 3 days. You are the person who has to resolve. You have to take the power backup. Okay. If we are using the data center, if let assume you created the data center, you are using or not using, you have to pay the rent for that. Agree? Yes or no? Or you have to make the investment, either you use or not use. Correct?
Correct.
Right? So these are the problems happen into the data center. To solve this type of problem, the solution came as a cloud. Simple definition, I am telling you, any network or any device which is accessible with the help of internet, that is called cloud. Got it? Are
Yes.
please.
Yes.
Any
Yes.
server which is accessible with the help of internet, that we will call as a cloud. In simple term, any of the application or data center, whatever is running remotely, we are accessing with the help of internet, that is called cloud. Cool? Just know.
Yes.
Okay. Cloud servers are located in the data center over the world. Okay. Means I'm again coming to my AWS account. These are the different data centers. Okay. For me, these are the different cloud. This is my Mumbai cloud. This is my Asia Pacific cloud. This is my California cloud. This is my Virginia cloud. Means different data center which is physically available in the AWS data centers. I am accessing with the help of internet. That's why I'm calling as a different clouds. Agree? Not agree?
Yes.
Agree.
Good. Okay. Now, if we are accessing this services, okay. Now the next question is cloud computing. What is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? You know cloud, accessible with the help of internet, that is called cloud. Now, what is cloud computing?
So using the server which is located somewhere as
Using their services, okay. I'm using their services. Because of the cloud computing, I'm able to access these services. Means with the help of internet, they are providing the services to us. that technology is known as cloud computing. Means I'm accessing this machine with the help of internet. AWS is providing a service to me. That technology is known as cloud computing. Got it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. Okay. Now, looks good. Okay. Fine. Let's go more deeper into it. Okay. Yeah, let's again discuss cloud computing. Okay. There are different cloud providers are there. Okay. We are using their services. Google Cloud, we have Amazon Cloud, Azure Cloud, IBM Cloud, Salesforce, different varieties of clouds are there. We are accessing or we are using their services. This technology is known as cloud computing. Cool. Yes, no.
Yes.
Thank you. Cool. Now, varieties of clouds are available. Okay. Cloud, public cloud, private cloud, or some collaborative cloud, hybrid cloud, varieties of clouds are available. When this is accessible very simply with the help of internet or shared, that is called public cloud. If it's only related to you, your rules, your network, your definition, your regulation, your flexibility, that is called private cloud. Private cloud service in AWS is known as answer.
VPC.
IAM.
IAM.
It's a VPC, virtual private cloud. Private network you are creating, that means you are creating a private cloud for yourself. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Next question. Hybrid cloud. What is the English meaning of hybrid? English meaning of hybrid.
It is public and
Combination
private
of
cloud.
both.
Combination of both. Either public cloud, private cloud is known as hybrid cloud. One cloud is AWS, one cloud is Google Cloud, that is also called hybrid cloud. Okay. Combination of different two clouds are known as hybrid cloud. Okay. Cool. Collaborative infrastructure means multiple teams who has the same logic, or community thing means multiple different companies who has the same logic. They are ready to share their resources. That is called community cloud or collaborative or collaborative infrastructure. Okay. That is also variety of cloud, that is called community cloud. Very simple, public, accessible, or very easy to scale, that is called public cloud. Private, you are full control, you have to decide it what you want, how much you want, and it's your private network, that is called private network. Okay, that is called private cloud. Do cloud, okay, which is connected, or two different varieties of cloud working together is known as hybrid cloud. Cool. Any question till now, or all good?
All good.
Cool. Thank you. Thanks for confirming.
So
Okay.
could you please give one example for this collaborative infrastructure?
Okay. Collaborative infrastructure. We are running a community, correct? What is our community name?
Cloud Dev.
Cloud DevOps. Okay. Let's assume you also know something, or you want to help us. Okay. So what we can say that, yes, it's a community. You can also work with us. We have a complete infra ready. You can come and you can ask your question, doubts, or whatever you want. You can do it. That is called community work. Same way here, two different companies has the same mindset. Okay. And they want to work together. So that is called collaborative or community infrastructure. Or we will create two companies created, or three more companies created the same cloud, their resources into the same network, that is called community cloud. Got it?
So what they do on that infrastructure?
See, let us assume, chalo. Simple way. This is Cloud DevOps Up. I am the Vikas. I am teaching the thing here. Correct? I am mentoring you. Someone else also can mentor into this community. Possible or not possible? But they will use the same platform. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. The same
So
way here.
using the platform means using the same infrastructure.
Using the same infrastructure by different organizations.
Okay.
Okay, that is called community cloud or collaborative cloud. Okay, cool, fine. Okay. I will explain this in the tomorrow class. You don't have to worry. It's a very straightforward. Different varieties of clouds are there. Public cloud, private cloud, everything accessible with the help of internet. Simple way. some things which are accessible with the help of internet is called public cloud. Means accessible over the internet is known as public cloud. Accessible with the help of private network is called private cloud. Private network means with the help of VPN. In your office, you are connecting to your AWS account, right? First, you have to connect to the VPN, then only you are able to connect to your cloud. Agree?
Yeah.
Right? Means you are accessing the private network or private data center. Means you have to access with the help of VPN. It will be accessible only internally. That is called private network. Okay? Or in the public, if it's accessible over the internet, you will be inside the company, outside the company, wherever it is, you will be able to access that. In this, multiple things, multiple varieties of models are coming: software as a service, infrastructure as a service, or platform as a service. I'm coming in the next 5 minutes. Okay. So these are the definition I'm giving to you. Just read it. It will be helpful for you. I'm giving some more definition for private cloud. Read it. It will be help you out. Okay. Hybrid cloud. Just read the definition. It will be help you out. Okay. Can anyone tell me the benefits of cloud? Go ahead. Benefits of cloud. First. Answer.
No maintenance cost.
Hey, don't say no maintenance cost. Maintenance cost will be added into the rent only. Okay. Means we don't have to take care of maintenance. Okay. Cool. Agree. What else?
There will be a security.
There will be a security. Yes, it's a very secure environment. Okay. Cool.
Easy to upgrade and reduce.
Scaling. Scaling is very easy. Okay. Tomorrow you need some server, tomorrow you need more server, or tomorrow you need 100 servers. Scaling is very possible or very easy. Okay, good. What else?
Collaboration.
Collaboration can be happen into the cloud. Okay. What else? What else? Yes. Guys, make the interaction, please.
In storage.
Disaster recovery.
Disaster recovery. Okay. Can anyone explain me this disaster recovery or disaster assistance? Little bit explain.
Any incident happen in data is lost, then recover automatically.
Any issue happen in the data center, okay, you will get the assistance from their expert as well to solve the problem. Okay, let's assume you created a data center into the Singapore, and by any reason some disaster happened into the Singapore data center, and the data center is completely out, okay, inaccessible. Then AWS people or the cloud people will help you out to restore your data or restore your applications or restore your servers. That is called disaster assistance. They will provide it to you. Correct?
Yes.
Cool. Good. Okay. So this type of some benefits are there. Can anyone tell me the disadvantage of cloud?
Security.
Cost is high.
Cost.
Cost is very less as compared to physical data center.
We are pushing our data in public sector, no? So it's security issues.
No, you are creating a private network. It's not.
If we forget instance terminate or stop, so it will go.
Correct. Let us assume you take some server. Let us assume I taken this server on a rent. Correct? Yes or no? I took this server on a rent. Either I am using or not using, AWS will charge me. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So thumb rule, if you are not using the server, delete it. Okay. Make as a thumb rule. We can create it in just couple of seconds, but why to pay the rent? We don't have to pay the rent if we are not using it for the learning purpose. If you are not using it, delete or terminate it. Okay. Thumb rule. Cool. Now, if you will see this, the architecture of cloud, how exactly it will look like. Backend or front end, it has been divided into two parts, and we are connecting with the help of internet. That is called cloud architecture. Able to understand with the help of image? Front end, back end, able to access with the help of internet. That is called cloud. Yes, no?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. When I'm talking about the cloud computing, it has been divided again into two parts: deployment model or service model. Okay. When I'm talking about the deployment model, three varieties of clouds are there: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. That is called deployment model. There are service model also: infrastructure service, platform as a service, and software as a service. we have to be aware about this all services bare minimum to understand the fundamentals. Okay, and I will take care of every example from different services. Cool. Yes, no.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Chalo, this is little bit high level over the cloud. Okay, we have to discuss little more about in the tomorrow class. But before that, we will see the syllabus. Okay, we have aware little bit about cloud. We have a little bit aware about cloud computing. Little bit aware AWS and DevOps. I haven't teach anything for the DevOps, but I just show single image to you. Okay, single image. What exactly this image says? Yeah. Okay. This all activity should happen with the help of automation. All this process should run automatically with the help of tool that is the work of DevOps. Okay, cool. And openings on Naukri, guys, are you aware how many jobs are available for the in the Naukri for this profile? Yes, no. Are you aware? Guys, give me the answer, please.
Yes.
Okay, tell me the number. Tell me the number.
Yeah, it's showing 50,000.
Yes, overall around 50,000 openings are there. If you are coming into the 0 to 3 year category, just click here. You will get to know that how many openings are for 0 to 3 years experience. Around 29,000 openings are there. 0 to 3 years, 2 to 5 years. Okay, 2 to 5 years. Okay, 2 to 6 years, 2 to 3 years, 2 to 7 years, 2 to 8 years. Okay, 2 to 6, 1 to 4. Lot of openings for the freshers as well into this. And out of around 20,000, you can consider at least 15,000 jobs are there. Okay, you just have to be aware. You just have to be more practically knowledgeable, then you can apply into this job role. I just explicitly choose 0 to 2 years experience only. Okay, if you will come here, if you are in the 3 to 6 year category, if you will search here, you can get to know that around 38,000 openings are there in this category. So never say that we don't have the openings. There are so many openings are there. If we have a knowledge, we will able to crack it or we will able to apply it. Correct? Yes, no?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. Same way for 6 to 15 years, how many openings are there? You can just click here. You will get to know that around 63,000 openings are there. So overall, I can say that we are 10 people here. Okay. And minimum 10,000 openings are there. So one person has a 1,000 jobs to apply. Agree? Yes or no?
I agree.
Good. Okay. Yes, this is what we have discussed about the Naukri. Okay, and unlimited question and answer I would like to take. Okay, whatever the questions you have, you are feel free to discuss now with me. How was the today's session, guys? Able to understand? Very sweet, simple, getting an idea overview. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's
Right.
good.
It's good.
Okay, I'm not very fast. I'm not very slow. Correct?
Sir, please share PPT also.
PPT will be automatically in the drive. Okay, automatically into the LMS system. Okay, no need to worry.
Where is it? It's not available.
I will. I think these PPTs are available. Okay, I will check it and I will get it. Okay, you will get a notification also. Okay, no need.
That's the Excel sheet.
Excel sheet. This Excel sheet you need.
Both like this.
This Excel sheet you need. So you don't have to ask with me. You can come to the course and in the top on the home page of the course only it will be visible. Okay, if you will see here. If you will see here, here is the Excel sheet. Track the syllabus. Okay, you can just click here and you will get to know, or I will give the link. Okay, you don't have to worry. I am giving the link into the chat box. Okay, and bookmark it. It will be helpful for us because we have discussed this part in the today's session. So I'm just making it little bit green. Okay, same way tomorrow, whatever we will discuss, day after tomorrow, whatever we will discuss, we will make it green so that you will be getting track that whatever we are doing it should be clean. Okay, cool. And the question regarding the PPTs. Okay, I think the PPT should be already there. If not, I will upload it right away. Okay, is that okay? Yes, no?
Yes. Okay.
Cool. What else? Any other question? Feel free to ask the questions, guys. Or if you are worried, we will stop the recording and you can ask the questions, whatever have you in your mind. Okay.
I have one question, sir.
Go ahead, please.
Actually,